So what our observations around Upheaval Dome show is that there is a lot of evidence in the way the units were deposited that there was actually a moving salt structure right next door. We see thickening and thinning patterns which tell you that there was salt moving underground and that things were going up and going down. One example of that would be right here in this image, where you see there's a ledge of sandstone coming down right like this, and you see the units on top are coming in and they're truncating against it, one after another after another. That tells you that this layer was tilted at the time and these beds were being deposited and lapping up against it. Now, if you go all the way around for 20 miles in any direction, you don't see this in the area. You only see it here and next to the rest of the salt structures in the Paradox Basin. So this tells you that there was some movement going on, that this was not just like the rest of the area, that this place was special because there was something moving. You see the same thing down here in this bottom image. Here is a fold. This is actually inside the central crater at Upheaval Dome, so there's a fold, and if you look on top of the fold, there's a unit right here that is thinning, coming up on top of the fold. And this says that this folding formed syndepositionally. In other words, this fold formed as the unit was being deposited. So you see the bottom of the unit is folded. You get up to the top of the unit, there is no fold because this fold happened during deposition of this unit. And this unit was deposited 100 million years before the meteor was supposed to hit. So this was a special area. There was salt moving in this area before the meteor hit. And it's this kind of evidence that you see from the beds that we think are what tell you that this was a salt structure a long time before any meteor could have hit.